Let's fix if you can't hear your iPhone call audio. Now, if you're trying to make an iPhone call, either FaceTime or just a normal call, but you can't hear anything and you're wondering where the audio is going, you try to turn it up, I'm going to walk you through most likely the reason why you can't hear that and get it fixed for you. So the very first step that we'll do is swipe down from the top right, and we will turn this volume all the way up. So we're going to toggle that volume all the way up, and then we're going to hop into our settings, and we'll scroll down till we get to accessibility, and we'll tap on touch, and then scroll down and you can see call audio routing. So I'm going to tap on that. Make sure that this is set to automatic. So if this is set to speaker or Bluetooth headset, then it will route that audio over to those, either the speaker or a Bluetooth headset that you have on or around, and it won't come through your phone itself. So switch it over to automatic here, and then try to make that call again, and most likely that audio will be working. You'll be able to hear the other person on the line. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.